Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into an online fashion store called Havery Ridge. You've probably seen their stylish linen tops or trendy outfits advertised online. But the real question is, are they actually legit or just another scammy drop shipping site? Quick disclaimer as always, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Havery Ridge claims to offer affordable, elegant clothing with a focus on quality. The website is clean, filled with cozy fashion pieces, especially linen tops, flowy blouses, and summer dresses. But that's where the good stuff ends. Head over to Trustpilot and things get ugly. With a 2.4-star rating, most reviews are brutal. One user said they were missold sunglasses, received nothing like what was advertised, and were only offered a 45% refund. Others say the clothing looks nothing like the photos. What was advertised as linen turned out to be cheap, thin cotton, and returns, you're on the hook for internal shipping to Spain at your own expense. One reviewer summed it up perfectly. Avoid this company like the plague. In my opinion, Havery Ridge is not a trustworthy store. While the prices and pictures might be tempting, what you actually receive may be low quality with little to no customer support. Between misleading products and unfair return policies, this looks more like a scam than a legit shop. Thanks for watching. If you've had your own experience with Havery Ridge, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay smart online so you don't get ripped off. See you in the next one.